Good morning. It's the walk life. Beautiful morning. Yeah, you know this old familiar path right here. It's the beaten path. Yep. There we go. Come on, Kane. Early morning rising. Like I said, you gotta be consistent. Try to at least go 8 minutes on this one. Just a little bit longer. You know, y'all get up with me early, you can walk with me. Get on in front of that TV and give me 8 minutes. I have my little coffee. Everything going all right, man. I ain't complaining. It's a blessed morning. You know the path. It's the way we go. Make you feel better. Putting in that work. There you go. Yeah. Woo. It's a blessed day, I know that much. Come on, Kane. Let's ride, man. We out here this morning. Get your steps in now. Yep. So we gotta do. Beautiful. There you go. Come on, I tell you what we can do. We can get some nicks in, some neck work in this morning. Y'all don't mind. Let's go, y'all. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Down. Get that neck. I always remember. Rub it out. There you go. You see where my boy at this morning? Oh, wow, I don't know where he at. King. He done disappeared on me. Wow. Come on, King. One of them days. Let me go up top. See if I see him. He done strayed all the way off the beaten path. King. There we go. There you go. Hey. Got me out here this morning. Look at that. That you came. Boy. All right. We rolling. I guess he wanted to give y'all a view this morning. Well, I'll give y'all one then. There we go. We on top of the mountain. Ooh-wee. Yeah, buddy. Where you at, Ken? Come on. Yeah, we still riding. Adventures of Mr. Walk Life. Thanks, Kane, for taking me up top. Here we go. Hey, just let you check out the scenery. Where you at? Come on. Yeah. There you go. That's how you have that love in the morning, man. It's a morning love walk. You know what I'm saying? I do this. Hope y'all down with me. Finna do some more next soon as I hit the flat ground again. Here we go. We're getting there. Old batting cage. Pretty slick. Check it out. Yeah, it's a batting cage. Youngsters come out and practice. There we go. Come on, let's get some more necks in. Y'all ready? Let's go. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, look what I found out here. Look at that there. All righty. Yeah, this way. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. There we go. Work that neck better out. Y'all know I've been working on it for weeks now. Getting better. There we go. Put that work in. Where you at, KK? All righty. Yeah, we on the path to success. Trying to lose 10 more pounds this week. Hope y'all down with me. Let's ride. Get y'all 5-minute ones in. 10-minute ones in. It's an 8-minute one right here. I wanted to go up a little bit more. Get a little more to ride with in the morning. You know, 8-10 minutes. Feel good out here, man. You know what I'm saying? Don't even trip. Keep it moving. Yeah, keep it moving. There we go. See, it ain't no wind out here today. It's all right, though. We out here. Got a jacket on and everything. You know it's getting chilly. Yeah, buddy. All right, King, we out of here, man. Y'all got eight of them out of me this morning. All right, y'all have a blessed day. Natty Bills man in the building. Mr. Walk Life, Soul Poet. Peace out.